back at this spot, 80 kilometres from town on a round trip, and I come back here to have a look at this corner where I came off. So it's not a bad corner, like I was only doing 50 k's an hour. When I mean I came off, came off the road there, and I actually come down here and ran down along this little bit of a rain gutter along here. At that stage, we've had a fair bit of rain since the last few weeks have been along here, and this has been covered in by excess dirt. What it was more like when I come down here was not that bad, that's disastrous, but it would be more like something around this one here. That's what it was like for those few fraction of a second. But overall, the thing about this is I've been thinking about why it happened. That's why I really come out to see how bad this was, and I don't class the corner as all that bad. What I really think has happened, further up along that track there, I went through a couple of good puddles of water, which were on the track at the time, and about 2 or 3 days ago I got a recall notice from Honda saying that there's a problem with the sensors on these bikes if they get wet, and it affects the dual channel ABS braking system, and it also affects the traction control, and it's a safety hazard, and if you strike a problem, really don't ride the bike till it's rectified. So I thought to myself, that was most likely the problem, because when I've been out on the road, dry, no water, anything like that, never had any issues. It was only on that day and just back up there about, 3 kilometres when I went through this couple of runs of low-lying water. So I booked the bike into the local Honda dealer. He's ordering the parts, and it'll get new sensors in. And while we're here, I'll show you a extract from the letter from Honda, just to tell you about what's going on. And that's why, after reading that letter, I come to the conclusion there's a good chance that was my problem on the day, not so much rider error, mainly a dangerous bike with that ABS issue on the sensors. So that's about it. Apart from that, all is good. Beautiful day out here today. I've been here now 20 minutes, no one's come along this track, so it's a fairly quiet area. I was going to go today out somewhere there. You may be able to see the road right over there in the background. That may pick up something. But if you look at those houses down there, I go down that way, cross there, road goes that, and then it goes right up into those surrounding hills, and then works its way right out this way back onto the other road. It's a fairly good run, but not a bad road.